Stand upright with dumbbells resting on your shoulders. Inhale as you lower your body into a lunge and place your lead knee on the ground. Step your other foot forward and exhale as you lunge back to the upright standing position, maintaining proper posture and refraining from leaning forward. Repeat with good form through programmed reps. The dumbbell surrender is a brutal exercise that will train your legs, your core, and your grit. I've got dumbbells and a little pad for my knees. Let's dive into it. The dumbbell surrender is a difficult exercise. Katie's making it look way easier than it actually is. What she's doing is she's lunging down using her legs and staying in control of the dumbbells resting on her shoulders. Notice how she's not letting her posture fall forward and she's not crashing her knees into the ground, but staying nice and soft in her knees and keeping a great rhythm. Awesome job, Katie. Keep up the good work.